Hey everybody, I'm here today to test out the Audi RS6. It has a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. Let's get inside and hear what it sounds like.
It's pretty all right with the stock exhaust.
So I've just tried out the RS6 with the stock exhaust, but now in front of me here I have the iPE exhaust system, and honestly I can't wait to get these bad boys ready to go. Right, we just took out the stock exhaust and put in the iPE exhaust system. Let's fire it up and see what happens. Whoa, you hear that? Super nice sound. All right, give us a little rev. Whoa. All right, you see this is just normal comfort mode. Let's put it into dynamic and see what we hear. Dynamic. All right, well, let's take it for a spin and see how it performs outside on the streets. Whoa, that is amazing, man. Wow, it's truly the only word I have to describe the RS6 with the iPE exhaust system. It is truly amazing. Once you get in the car, you immediately feel like you're driving a race car. The exhaust sound is super, super awesome. And the other thing that I really like about the iPE exhaust system is it allows you to have full control over the valve system. So if you're driving with your wife and kids and you don't want them to be disturbed, simply close the valve and everything will be fine. But when you're out by yourself, you really want to give it a kick, open those valves all the way and you'll see what I'm talking about.